When we talk about the great minds of history, we often remember scientists, kings, and warriors. But there was one man who didn't sit on a throne, yet shaped an entire empire. A man whose strategies are still studied today in politics, leadership, and even business. His name was Chanakya, also known as Kautilya or Vishnugupta. Chanakya lived around the 4th century BCE in ancient India. He was a teacher, a philosopher, an economist, and most importantly, a master strategist. As a renowned scholar at Takshashila University, one of the greatest learning centers of the ancient world, Chanakya wasn't famous for his wealth. He was famous for his piercing intelligence and sharp political thinking. His life took a dramatic turn when he visited the court of Nanda, the powerful but arrogant ruler of the Nanda dynasty. When Chanakya tried to offer his counsel, the king publicly insulted and humiliated him. That humiliation became the fuel for a historic change. Chanakya didn't react with anger in that moment, but he made a silent, firm promise. I will destroy this king and end his rule, and he meant every word. After leaving the Nanda court, Chanakya began his search for someone worthy, someone who could become a truly great ruler. That's when he found a young boy named Chandragupta Maurya. Chanakya saw something special in him: courage, leadership, and immense potential. He took the boy under his wing, training him not just as a warrior, but as a future king. Together, they began to plan the impossible, overthrowing the mighty Nanda dynasty. With Chanakya's brilliant mind and Chandragupta's strength, they succeeded. They defeated the Nandas and established the Maurya Empire, one of the largest and most powerful empires in Indian history. But Chanakya's work was far from over. He helped build a sophisticated system of governance, law, administration, and even an extensive intelligence network. He created a blueprint for a strong, stable state, long before many modern governments existed. Chanakya's wisdom was immortalized in one of the most powerful political books ever written, the Arthashastra. This ancient text is a comprehensive guide to politics, economics, war strategy, diplomacy, and leadership. It's an ancient manual of statecraft, so advanced that many historians compare Chanakya to Machiavelli, though some argue Chanakya was even more profound. His teachings are as relevant today as they were thousands of years ago. Let's look at a few of his powerful lessons. First, he taught that education is the best weapon, saying, "An educated person is respected everywhere." He also believed that time is the real wealth, warning that the biggest loss is the loss of time. Chanakya advised us to think before we trust, understanding that while trust is important, blind trust is dangerous. And finally, he emphasized that true power comes from discipline, self-control, and patience. So why is Chanakya still so relevant today? It's because his leadership principles still work, his political strategies still apply. His ideas about economy and governance are still practical, and his words continue to motivate people all over the world. That's why Chanakya is remembered not just as a scholar, but as a kingmaker. Chanakya proved one powerful truth: you don't need a crown to rule history. All you need is vision, intelligence, and unwavering courage. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the great Chanakya, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss our future content. Let me know in the comments, what do you think is Chanakya's most powerful teaching? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.